Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious pizza stuffed garlic buns, and these are called pizza bombs. These taste so amazing. These are stuffed with pizza stuffing and the bun is super soft and delicious. Also these are made without maida or yeast. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी कोरिया देखियो चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first, to make the bun dough, in a bowl take 1 cup of whole wheat flour, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, oregano and chili flakes. Give it a good mix. Gradually add half cup of sour curd and knead. If your curd is not much sour, then you can also add lemon juice to it. Sticky dough is formed now. Transfer it to countertop and knead till smooth. It takes almost 3 to 4 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and knead. You can also use normal refined oil if you want. Our super soft and smooth dough is formed now. Apply 1 teaspoon of oil and cover and rest for at least 30 minutes. Let's prepare the pizza stuffing. In a bowl add 1 finely chopped onion, half capsicum finely chopped, few sweet corn kernels, few chopped paneer pieces and 2 tablespoons of mozzarella cheese. To that add 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce, some oregano and chili flakes and mix everything well. Our yummy pizza stuffing is ready now. For making garlic butter, in a bowl take 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of garlic. To that add few chopped coriander leaves and half teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix everything well till combined. Garlic butter is ready. Keep it aside. Our dough is well rested now. Knead for 1 more minute. Divide it into 5 equal parts. This recipe makes for 5 pizza bombs. So first take 1 portion and make a ball. Sprinkle some flour and flatten by pressing the sides. Keep the sides thin and the middle thick. Add the stuffing in the center. Top it up with cheese spread and some more cheese. Seal it well by combining the edges. Seal it like we seal a paratha dough. Remove the excess if needed. Roll it between palms till smooth. Prepare all the pizza bombs like so and place it on a greased plate. Microwave the garlic butter and melt it and then brush it on top. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, our pizza bombs are perfectly baked now. Brush some garlic butter on top. See how perfect they look. So these are like the starters or sides we get at Domino's or Pizza Hut or any pizza place, and they taste so good. This is just pizza stuffed inside a bread. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.